Welcome back to our channel. Today, let's talk about how to fix Instagram DM glitch on iPhone. Let's begin by ensuring you have a stable internet connection, as a poor connection can often be the main cause of issues on Instagram. If your internet is fine, proceed to open the Settings app on your device, scroll down, and select General. Then continue scrolling until you tap on iPhone storage. Look for the Instagram app in the list and select it. From there, press Offload app and confirm by tapping Offload again. This action will remove the Instagram app while keeping its documents and data intact. Next, open the Instagram app. It will automatically reinstall. Wait for the process to finish, then check if the problem is resolved. If the glitch persists, tap to your profile icon at the bottom right of this Instagram app, then select the three lines option at the top right, then tap Help and select Report a Problem. In the pop-up window, choose Report Problem without shaking. Then select Don't Include and Continue. Briefly describe your issue in the text box, then tap the Send button. Wait for Instagram support to provide an update regarding the problem. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.